Hello and welcome to our smart store at Panasonic Campus Munich. How can technology help retailers to attract customers? The Connected Signage solution might be one example.
Connected Signage is a fusion of various Panasonic core technologies, high-resolution displays with projection and camera technology. This solution demonstrates our expertise as a system integrator very well, combining various existing systems to create a new solution. Connected Signage directly integrated into supermarkets is transforming the way retailers engage with customers. Imagine a personalized morning offer centered around a variety of coffee blends, seamlessly transitioning to tailored evening snack promotions.
I do like this technology. Let's have a closer look at the digital totem system with AI function next time. And don't forget to register below to visit us here in person.